Hello everyone. In this video we are discuss difference between private limited company and section 8 company. When you incorporate a new company, you have two options of forming various type of companies. A public company, a private limited company, one person company or a section 8 company. However, all these type of companies have many difference with section 8 companies. Being the most different in this video we will going in depth into the difference between private limited company and section 8 company, so that you know when you should go for private limited company registration or section 8 company registration. All companies come under the preview of the MCA and the Companies Act 2013 governs them to register a section 8 company as well as a private limited company. You have to file web forms spicy E plus on the MCA portal. However, apart from this, section 8 companies and private limited company have no similar per. Let's understand this company types. Private limited company. A private limited company are commercial entities. Their goals is to make profit. They need a minimum of 2 shareholders for incorporation and can have a maximum of 50 shareholders. Additionally, private limited company do not get listed on the stock exchange. What this means that the shares of private limited company are not open to everyone. This is different from public companies where anyone can buy their shares. Section 8 company. A section 8 company is a type of non-profit entity. All section 8 company are incorporated for charitable purpose. Section 8 companies do not aim to make any profit. A section 8 company can only spend its funds for the furtherance of its charitable objections. Additionally, section 8 company do not issue shares. Difference between a private limited company and section 8 company. What is the type of private limited company and section 8 company? Private limited company, it is a corporate entity. It is created for profit making purpose. And section 8 company is non-profit organization. It's created for charitable purpose. Objective. What are their objective? They are formed for commercial objective. And section 8 company to further philanthropic objective such as encouraging art, sports, science, education, etc. Name. Private limited company. All private limited company must have limited or private limited at the end of their name. And section 8 company do not have any name related requirement like private limited company. Conversion. A private limited company can be converted into a public company as well as a section 8 company. Section 8 company can be converted into a private limited or public company. Stand-up duties. Private limited company stand-up duties change on the company's incorporation form, MOA and AOA. And section 8 companies don't have to pay stamp duty on AOA and MOA. What are the tax exemption? Private limited company, no such tax exemption, but section 8 company, many tax exemptions are granted under the Income Tax Act section 80G. Thank you.